Yeah. Listo. Okay guys, so we all know what happened. Mexico lost. It was a hard game to watch.
Oh yeah.
Because, especially when it was one to nothing, because I just kept feeling like Mexico had chances, but it wasn't quite there. Nari even got a new hat to cheer on Mexico.
Yeah.
And we hoped we would be wearing this hat many, many times, but you know, life doesn't always work out the way you want it to. And today was one of those days for Mexico. But instead of just focusing on the negative and what happened against Brazil, I wanted to take a minute to talk about what this experience has been like for me, for Nari, just watching these Mexican matches in Mexico surrounded by Mexican fans. So the first game against Germany, we went to this cool market in the Roma area. You know, I brought my camera with me. I thought I would just film a few moments and then at the end I would make a video about all of the Mexican games, like, you know, just put it all together. But that first game was so incredible, the way that Mexico pulled off the win against Germany. Yeah, you remember the big party afterwards?
Yeah, yeah. We all headed to Angel.
Yeah.
Yeah, there were like a bunch of people coming from Zocalo and
yeah, I said in the video, it was like Mexico had won the World Cup. Like the way people were partying, it was incredible. And I guess we never wanted that party to end because, you know, I don't know about you, but I went into that game. Of course I was cheering for Mexico because we're in Mexico. You know, you want to see the country you're in succeed.
Yeah.
But I couldn't say that I was like a true Mexican fan. Like I didn't really know the team before that first game. But after that game, I don't know, I felt like my heart expanded for the Mexican team. I felt like, you know, you just pulled off this big upset, anything can happen now. And I just became a full Mexican supporter. Your second game was against Korea, so that must have been like mixed emotions, right?
Yeah.
How did you feel watching Mexico play Korea?
Actually, I knew that Korea wasn't doing well. Yeah, from the last game. But yeah, of course I'm Korean, so I was cheering for Korea. Oh yeah, it was just incredible experience. Yeah, I wanted to be here in Mexico City for that game and just, yeah, like watching the game with other Mexicans. Yeah, we went, if you didn't see that one, we went to the Zocalo, so we went to the big party, the big group of people downtown. Yeah. Yeah, I knew that it's gonna be freaking awesome because and you guys are very like passionate in soccer.
Very passionate, yeah, and very respectful too. Like we met a couple people afterwards who, I don't know, just the way they talked to you, like they were like, oh, we're sorry for South Korea, they played a good game, you know, like it was very like respectful, I think.
I'm gonna enjoy the party today.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Disfruta mucho México.
Muchas gracias.
Nice
to meet you. Nice to meet you. And then, who would have thought that after the third game, Korea became the heroes of Mexico?
Oh, yeah.
So, I mean, as I mentioned in an earlier video, we were apart because Nari was in Mexico City, I was in Playa del Carmen when Mexico played Sweden, and of course Korea played against Germany.
Yeah.
So what was that like for you as you were watching what was happening with the Korea game? Like, did you know that Mexico's fate was in Korea's hands?
No, I didn't know when the game started because I was for sure Mexico would make it because they already won 2 games.
Yeah, it
right?
looked like they would make it for sure.
And yeah, of course, I didn't think Korea would win over Germany. But yeah, the game goes wrong, weirdly. So I was watching at home, which I wish I was outside.
Yeah.
Watching.
Well, if you went to the
Without
Zocalo,
it,
you might have been like, there's videos of people getting like thrown up, like Koreans like getting lifted by the Mexican fans. And there were all these crazy like Mexican memes and stuff.
Yeah.
Send all the tequila to Korea.
Oh yeah, there were so many funny stuff. Yeah, I spent all day just reading about those comments.
After that happened, you were like, wow, Mexico's a special country, like with a very good sense of humor. The passion of the Mexican fans is something that I will not ever forget. I wish a few of the players had a bit more passion in that last game. I don't know. I don't know if that's fair to say. I mean, they tried. It's just, you know, I mean, look at what happened to Germany. Sometimes even the best teams, you just have a couple bad games and then, phew.
Yep.
You know, it was a dream for us. When we first moved to Mexico, we noticed, you know, the World Cup is happening this summer. Like, wouldn't it be cool to be in Mexico City for that?
Yeah.
We didn't know if we'd stick in Mexico for that long. We didn't know what our future would bring, but I think we're both very glad that we stayed around for the Los Mundials. Is that what they call it in Spanish? Mundials. Okay, don't give me that look. Anyway, we're both glad that we got to see Mexico play and be part of the huge party.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I'm glad I was here. During World Cup. Yeah.
Oh yeah. By the way, who do you guys think is going to win the World Cup? I mean, I know it's tough now that Mexico's out, but I don't know. Do you have any favorites, Nari?
France.
France. Yeah, France looks good. Brazil looks good too. I mean, if they can beat Mexico, who can they not beat, right?
Yeah. Japan.
Yeah, the last Asian team, who might have actually lost by the time we post this video.
Yeah.
They're playing right now, so yeah, we'll see. I'm cheering for England. They're my pick.
Yeah.
France? Okay. Let us know who you think is going to win, and let us know if Nari should never take off this hat.
I like this though. Yeah.
Bye, guys.